how to use or how to redeem your Roblox gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Westnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily redeem your Roblox gift card. So the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser on your device, and on the browser what you want to do is you want to type in roblox.com/redeem. Simply type in roblox.com/redeem. Make sure to spell it correctly, type it correctly, so and tap and go. Once you tap and go, you'll be headed to this page where it'll ask you to enter in your card code, but before it'll ask you to sign into your account. You want to log into your account first, the account that you want to redeem your code on, and then enter in your code and then tap on redeem, and it'll be redeemed. So this way you can easily redeem your Roblox gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any other issues.